Viper is Siat's new strapping tool, created, designed and engineered in Italy, aimed at strapping any type of load, from the lightest to the heaviest, with the simple touch of a finger. Smooth design and perfect weight distribution make Viper a balanced and easy-to-use tool. Through a large, bright color touchscreen, settings can be customized and recalled whenever you need. From the tensioning force to the welding and even cooling time, to ensure perfect sealing for every application. The tensioning force can be programmed in newtons, kilos and pounds. The strap width and thickness can be entered in either millimeters or inches. Tension force and welding time information allows complete control over all strapping operations. Up to 8 settings can be recorded. Viper instantly adapts to various uses with its manual, semi-automatic and automatic modes. To protect fragile loads, the soft function limits the value range of the tensioning force to a minimum of 500 newtons. Viper can handle 9, 12 and 16 mm wide straps by simply moving the guides. Innovative HMI. Siat user experience tests take you to the driver's seat. The design has been studied down to the smallest detail by Siat and makes Viper solid, manageable and intuitive. You are in control within seconds. Viper uses professional batteries with extremely fast charging times. Just 20 minutes of charging guarantees autonomy for at least 300 cycles. Easy and intuitive battery loading. The packaging is designed to reduce environmental impact and maintain the protection of our outstanding tool. Viper. Italian design for international versatility.